they say that that aluminum foil will catch fire in the microwave. Let's find out. Hey, let's find out. Ready? Let's find out. Okay, we know that pizza only one slice of pizza needs less than a minute, but I'm gonna be lazy and I'm just gonna push the one button. See what happens here. Hey, look at that! Did you see that? Boom! I hope it blows this microwave out so I don't never have to use it again. Oh, it's only when it touches the walls. Do you see that? Okay, so let's see if we can prevent it from touching the walls if it will do that anymore. Start. Oh, but if it doesn't touch the walls, it doesn't spark. Oh, wait, there. What? Spark. Spark, spark. See? Busted! Mythbusters.